Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is John Adams. It is always good to see you. We are in my brand new office, which kind of looks like a dungeon, but we'll talk about that a little bit more in a different video. Today, I want to talk about this. Should we actually give up on the iPad mini? Now, if you don't realize it, Apple really screwed us over with the iPad mini. You see, we were all waiting. We wanted that one thing from Apple, and they didn't give it to us, the iPad mini 7. Even if they called it the iPad mini 7 Pro and made us pay more money for it, that would have been fine, but no, we got nothing. And so that's the question. Should we actually just give up on the iPad mini? And if there is any possibility of an iPad mini 7 coming out, what is Apple actually doing? So first and foremost, should you give up on the iPad mini? There's a possibility. Here's the thing. Apple has been so adamant about killing off all things mini. And in the age where everybody has a cell phone in their pocket and they've got the max versions of these phones are huge, maybe they're not seeing the sales of the iPad mini. And yes, those of us who love the iPad mini, man, we are diehard fans. We would do anything for the iPad mini, but that's not a majority of the world. In fact, in my comments section, the people that really love iPads are typically going with the 13-inch iPad Air or the iPad Pro, and to me, that's ridiculous because those things are enormous, but people like bigger screens. I mean, yes, it makes sense. Like, videos are everything nowadays, and cinematography is awesome these days, and all of the things in movies, like all the effects, it's easier now than ever, and so having a good screen, that does make sense. However, portability is such a huge deal. And so all you losers who need a big screen, you guys need to knock it off. But like I said, Apple's been killing off the mini. They killed off the iPhone 13 mini. They're not going to go back. I really wish they would, but I don't think they are. And here's my reason why. I think they're going to move to foldables. Did I say foldable weird? Foldable, not foldable. Foldables. Now, every company right now is trying to figure out the future of phones because the iterations on cell phones are so boring these days. Like, it's always just a small little spec bump. But the new big thing that companies are going to try doing is creating the best possible foldable devices that they can. And we've already seen some really great foldables from Samsung and different people like that. Apple has not gotten in that game yet, but they did file their patent. So the hope would be that the next iPad that comes out, that's kind of the mini form factor, is not necessarily a single slab, but is actually a foldable device. And to me, that would be pretty cool because if you had something like a cell phone, something like the iPhone 15 Pro, if you doubled the size of this with it folding out, that would be about the size of an iPad mini. That to me would be the perfect device. Honestly, if they ended up doing that, I don't even know if I'd have an iPad mini and a cell phone. I might just take that iPad mini. I just hit my table very hard. And also, this table is just one of those little plastic folding tables. I really do need to get a desk, so that's coming soon. So what do you guys think? Do you think that the foldable is the future of the mini device for Apple, or do you think Apple's just kind of killing off mini and they are going max on everything? That is a possibility. I just really hope that's not the world we're living in because people are more on the move. There's more digital nomads than ever. I think minis are the way to go. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.